Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust 2003 Ford F150 headlights. Start by parking the truck 10 to 25 feet from a flat wall and ensure it is level. Measure the headlight center height from the ground and mark it on the wall with tape. Open the hood and remove any debris around the headlight area. Turn the lights on to low beam and verify both bulbs are functioning before making adjustments. Before you adjust the headlights, collect a tape measure, 7 mm and 10 mm sockets, and a Phillips screwdriver for the headlamp bezel if necessary. Clean headlight lenses for clear light projection and check bulb condition so adjustments are meaningful. Ensure the truck has typical cargo and fuel level to simulate normal driving weight. Position the truck facing a flat wall at a recommended distance and mark center lines for both headlights to guide the aiming process. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that store lunches without spills, perfect for greasy hands during car work. I find they save time and keep the truck tidy while I tweak headlights or change oil. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by locating the adjuster screws on the headlamp housing. Many F150 use a vertical screw and a horizontal screw. Rotate the vertical screw slowly to lower or raise the beam until the top of the cutoff aligns with your tape mark on the wall. Then turn the horizontal screw to nudge the beam left or right so it aims just right of the vehicle centerline. Recheck both sides and tighten any bezel screws you removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.